Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we are here to answer another question for our clients. Okay, so this is for high school assessment question in division. This is question number 10, right? So the problem states 25 employees decide to chip in to buy a small refrigerator for the office. If the cost of the refrigerator is $275, how much does each person have to contribute? So this is a example of a division problem, right? We have the total amount, the amount that we have to divide up is $275, right? We're going to use long division for this because it's going to be pretty short. Okay. And it's being divided by 25 people. So 25 is what we're dividing into that. So we want to know how much each person has to contribute in order to uh, get this refrigerator. So you simply divide the 275 by the 25. Let's go ahead and do the division. Remember, we have two digits in our um, divisor, right? That's going to get divided into the first two digits of our dividend, right? So the first two digits are 27, 2 and 7. So 25 goes in 27 how many times? One time, right? So we do remember, because remember, the long division is multiply, right? And then, sorry, not multiply. Long division is divide, three steps. What are the three steps? It's divide, multiply, and subtract. That's all we're doing, okay? And we have a video on the details about the whole process. But long division basically is doing these three steps over and over again until you run out of digits. Long division. So that's what we're doing right now. All right. So let's get back to the problem. I didn't want to start doing the procedure without writing it out for you guys. Okay, so we're going to divide 25 into 27. We get 1. That's the division part, right? Now we're going to do the multiplication part. We're going to multiply that 1 times 25, and that's going to give us 25, which we write underneath the 27. Okay, so we did, now we finished the multiplication part. Now we're going to do the subtract part. We're going to subtract that 25 from the 27, and what we're going to get is 2. Okay. Now we're going to go back and do the division part again. All we do is we keep repeating these three steps. So we're going to divide 25 into 2, but it doesn't go because 2 is too small. So what do we do when it doesn't divide? We bring down the next digit. So we bring down the 25. I'm sorry, we bring down the 5, and then we try it again. So 25 goes into 25, yes. How many times? One time. We put the 1 right over the 5 that we just brought down, right? We did the division, and now we do the multiplication. 1 times 25 is 25. We're going to write that 25 underneath here. And then we do the subtraction. And then we're going to subtract this 25 we just wrote from this 25. We get 25 minus 25, which gives us 0. And since we got 0, 0, and there's no more digits, we know we're done. So our answer is 11. So what does this tell us? It tells us that if 25 people decide to buy a refrigerator that costs $275, each person has to pay $11. Each person pays $11. Okay. Contributes $11 with that. Now you can check your answer very simply by doing this. Multiply 11 times 25 because we have $11 per person, right? And we have 25 people donating. So if we do that, we should get 275 back. $275 back. So that's a proof or that's a test to make sure you got the right answer, right? So you go ahead and try that on your calculator. It's a quick way to test yourself. If you're not sure about your answer, you can go ahead and test yourself, check yourself that way. So let me write this again. It's 11 times 25 equals $275. Right. That's a 7, guys. Okay, so I hope that helped, guys. If it did, please remember to like and subscribe this video so we can continue to provide these very helpful videos. And everybody, I will see you on the next video. Have a great, great day or evening or whatever time it is right now.